SpaceX, the company that makes rockets and flies astronauts to space, announced on Tuesday that it has the right to buy an AI coding tool for $60 billion. The tool is called Cursor. Most people outside of Silicon Valley have never heard of it. But if you work in tech or use AI to build things, Cursor is probably the most important product you have never used. Today, what Cursor is, why SpaceX wants it, what Elon Musk is actually building with all of this, and why this matters even if you have never written a line of code. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. Cursor is an AI coding tool built by a company called Anysphere, founded in 2022 by four MIT students: Michael Truhl, Swale Asif, Arvid Lunemark, and Aman Sanger. Fresh out of university, normally writing software requires a developer to type every single line of code manually. Cursor changes that. You describe what you want to build in plain English. Cursor understands your entire code base, writes the code across multiple files, runs the tests, finds the errors, and fixes them. It turns software development from manual typing into a conversation. That idea became so popular it spawned an entirely new term. A researcher was using Cursor with Claude on a weekend project in early 2025 and coined the phrase vibe coding. That term is now everywhere. Cursor started it. The numbers tell the story. January 2025, $100 million in annualized revenue. June 2025, $500 million. November 2025, $1 billion. February 2026, $2 billion. 0 to 2 billion in 3 years. Slack took 7 years to reach its first billion. Zoom took 8. Snowflake took 10. Cursor's revenue was doubling every 2 months. No B2B software company in history has grown this fast. Who uses it? 67% of Fortune 500 companies. Over 1 million developers every day. 60% of Cursor's revenue now comes from enterprise customers. Most recent valuation, $29 billion in November 2025. SpaceX is offering $60 billion, more than double, less than 6 months later. The deal, what actually happened. On April 21st, SpaceX posted on X that it had struck a deal with Cursor. Two options. Option 1, pay $10 billion to work together. Cursor gets access to Colossus, xAI's supercomputer in Memphis, Tennessee, the largest AI training cluster in the world. Option 2, SpaceX can acquire Cursor outright for $60 billion later this year. Cursor's CEO celebrated the partnership on X and said, "They have been bottlenecked by compute. They have wanted to push their AI training much further. With Colossus, they can dramatically scale up the intelligence of their models." Plain English, Cursor has been paying OpenAI and Anthropic for AI. It wants to build its own. This deal gives it the computer power to do that. Why SpaceX wants Cursor? In February 2026, SpaceX acquired xAI, Elon Musk AI research company. The deal valued the combined entity at $1.25 trillion. That brought Grok, the colossal supercomputer, and xAI's research team inside SpaceX. SpaceX is preparing for what could be the largest IPO in history. For that valuation to hold, SpaceX needs to be more than a rocket company. It needs to be an AI company. Cursor gives SpaceX what Grok cannot: distribution to expert software engineers, not consumer users chatting with a chatbot, professional developers who use AI every day for serious work. 67% of Fortune 500 companies using Cursor to write the software that runs their businesses. That customer base is the most valuable audience in AI right now. Cursor's problem and why it needs this deal. The AI that powers Cursor comes from OpenAI and Anthropic, the same companies building directly competing tools. Codex from OpenAI, Cloud Code from Anthropic, GitHub Copilot, Microsoft, and OpenAI, 4.7 million paid subscribers. All three of Cursor's main competitors are also Cursor's main suppliers. Cursor has been building its own AI models to reduce that dependency. But training frontier AI requires enormous compute. Compute it did not have. Colossus is the largest AI training cluster in the world. With this deal, Cursor gets access to it. The dependency on OpenAI and Anthropic starts to shrink. SpaceX Cursor, $60 billion. A rocket company potentially buying the tool 67% of Fortune 500 companies use to write their software. This is what the AI industry looks like right now. Not just model releases and benchmark scores, a race for distribution, a race for enterprise access, a race for compute. Cursor was built by 4 MIT students 3 years ago. SpaceX, valued at over $1 trillion, is willing to pay $60 billion to own it. That is the real story of where AI is going. Do you use Cursor? And do you think SpaceX should buy it? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.